Well, I finally got everything off. Oh, this is the shifter that went bad. I'm gonna throw it down there with a bunch of extra parts. In order to get to that thing, because there was no room that where that shifter bolts, the primary case comes right here, and you couldn't pull that out without removing everything. So, in order to remove that, I had to take the clutch off. There's a bearing that goes there. There's an adjuster. I got to replace that because that's all wore out. This is your belt that drives your back tire, and that goes behind the clutch. This is the charging system right here. I'll be replacing the seal that goes around there. And in order to get to all of that, this case had to come off. Before I did that, we had to take off rear floorboard, front floorboard, bracket that holds the front on. This is part of the shifter linkage right here. Like I said, there's the outer primary cover. This is your actual primary inner case with a bearing that's in there. Right there, I have to replace that. There's your starter shaft. See, it's all wore. I'm going to have to put another bearing in there, I guess. There's a sleeve. There's a bushing. This is the actual stator outer gear, primary chain, and clutch. Somewhere over there is my bag. There's my bag, and there's my exhaust. So eventually I'll get all this put back together, but unbelievable. All that for that little tiny shifter, which caused me one heck of a headache. So I'll give you an update later. So ciao for now.